Welcome to Flaura Farms Lahore, Overseas Block, brought to you by Oh My Home, Private Limited, and ANDLEEB Group. Discover a world of luxury and tranquility in the heart of Lahore with Flaura Farms. The Overseas Block presents an exclusive opportunity for you to embrace a lifestyle that combines opulence and comfort. Key features: prime location, nestled in Lahore. The Overseas Block at Flaura Farms offers a premium location ensuring easy access to major landmarks and amenities. Luxurious living. Immerse yourself in the epitome of elegance with thoughtfully designed residences that exude sophistication and style. Serene environment. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and experience serenity amidst lush greenery. Flaura Farms provides a peaceful haven for you and your family. Global community. The Overseas Block welcomes an international community, creating a diverse and vibrant neighborhood for a truly global living experience. Best offer. Take advantage of our limited-time best offer, making this the perfect time to invest in your dream home at Flaura Farms. Oh My Home, Private Limited. Trust in the expertise of Oh My Home, a leading name in real estate, to guide you through the process of acquiring your ideal property. With a commitment to excellence, Oh My Home ensures customer satisfaction and transparency. ANDLEEB Group. Partnering with ANDLEEB Group adds a touch of reliability and credibility to Flaura Farms. With a history of successful projects, ANDLEEB Group is dedicated to delivering quality and value. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise at Flaura Farms Lahore, Overseas Block. Contact us now to secure your spot in this exclusive community.